Good morning, children. So today we are going to start a new chapter in English grammar, and the name of the chapter is interrogative sentences. Children, I have already explained you different kinds of sentences, and in my last video I have explained you negative sentences. So here we will learn how to frame a question. Interrogative sentences means to ask a question. So let's start. Chapter 5, interrogative sentences. A sentence that asks a question is called an interrogative sentence. We put a question mark at the end of an interrogative sentence. Like I have already explained you, a sentence always starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. So here question mark will be given at the end of an interrogative sentence. Yes, it will start with a capital letter. So now compare the following sentences. First sentence is I am right. So children, let's do negative sentences also here just for your revision. Suppose you have to write it in negative sentence. So what will you do? I'm not right. After am, are, is, you will put not. So I'm not right. But if you have to change into interrogative, you have to interchange the places of first two words in this sentence, but we will find other sentences where we have to change a group of words. So let's start with the easiest one. I am right. So just interchange the place. So you have to write am I right. In the same way, we are late. Just take out two fingers and you can say we are. So are we? I am. Am I? She is. She is. He is. She is she. Then he is he. Okay, there are there. In the same way, you have to just interchange, children. So we are late. Are we late? She is old. Is she old? The sound was clear. So here we will take the sound as one, and was will come in first. Was the sound clear? His clothes were dirty. Only what you have to keep in your mind, children, the helping verb will come in the first. Okay, we will start a sentence with the helping verb. Like, were his clothes dirty? And don't forget to give question mark. You have a pen. Have you a pen? She had got a watch. Had she got a watch? They have seen the Taj. Have they seen the Taj? He will leave early. Will he leave early? She can help me. Can she help me? So children, except point number 4, 5, yes, 4 and 5. In all the other sentences we have seen, only you have to interchange the place of 1 and 2, first and second word. But there in number 4 and 5, what we have seen that there were two words before the helping verb. So only keep in mind that the helping verb will come before these words. Or you can say we can start a question sentence with these questions or helping verbs or the question words. The sentences on the left hand side make statements here, this one, and the sentences on the right hand side ask questions, this one. Now, formation of interrogative sentences. Sentences of the type like am, I am, he is, you were, etc. So how will you change it? You have to write am, is, were, etc. before the subject. Subjects are I, he and you. Okay. Now sentences of the time like he has, you have, I had, etc. There what will you do here? You will write has, have and had before the subject, and subjects are he, you and I. In the same way, the verb is made up of two words. The first word before the subject. Yes. Now let us start. If you will do the book exercise, you can easily understand because examples are the best way to make the concept clear. So let's do. Make the following sentences interrogative. So for number 1 is Supriya was respectful to her teacher. So you know Supriya is subject here and was is helping verb. So was will come in place of Supriya and Supriya will go in place of was. So was Supriya respect to her teacher? Question mark. The meeting is at 6 p.m. So what is helping? Where is helping verb here? Is. So is will come in the front. Is the meeting at 6 p.m.? Question mark. The road to the station is narrow and bumpy. So don't get confused here what to write. Just take helping verb, that is, and keep it in the front. Is the road to the station narrow and bumpy? So simple. She has two sisters. Has she two sisters? The girls are reading books. So we can see helping verb is are. So just put the are in the front. Are the girls reading books? He should believe you. Should he believe you? She will be rewarded for her honesty. Will she be rewarded for her honesty? The cow is a gentle animal. Is the cow a gentle animal? And children, one more thing, don't forget to write rest of the sentence. Okay, don't leave any word, single word also. He has got a passport. Has he got a passport? The telephone bell is ringing. So just find the helping verb here, is. So what will you write? Is the telephone bell ringing? The workers were faithful to the company. Were the workers faithful to the company? Somebody is knocking at the door. Is somebody knocking at the door? Question mark. So children, what you have done here, you have just put the helping verb in the front of the sentence and you made it an interrogative sentence by putting a question mark at the end. So children, interrogative sentence means which ask a question. And to make a statement an interrogative sentence, you have to put the helping verb in front of the sentence. Okay, there are many types of sentences which we will learn, and many types of how to change interrogative sentences. Okay, but you are in just class 4, but we will read in higher classes also. So that's all for today, children. Thank you.